Hi, it's one of these style videos. I'm not sitting in my Mercedes right now. I'm sitting in something a bit cooler. Let me turn the camera around. Oh, hello. I'm an Alfa Romeo. Yeah. Oh, it's good, no? The reason I'm in this is because I have to run to the auto parts store to get parts to fix my Mercedes. It's been running fantastically as of late, but I let the car sit for about 2 weeks over the Christmas holiday. It was parked on a hill with the nose pointing up, and I think some fuel might have been resting on some lines or whatever. I don't really know. Either way, I know it is slowly dripping fuel out the back of the car. For those of you who've been paying attention to that car, you might know that a fuel line fix was one of the first things I had to do after I bought it. We'll cut to that video right now. Shoop.
Oh shit.
Zip. Yeah, that didn't go so well. It was the fuel line at the front of the tank. I eventually got it after taking a disgusting fuel bath. I believe this leak is at the back or other side of the tank, and I've learned a lot since then, so we're going to try to fix this one differently. That's why I'm going to the auto parts store to buy a siphon and some tanks, because right before I noticed the fuel leak, I'd filled the tank. It has a full tank of gasoline. Well, nearly full, because it's been dripping overnight out on the road, not inside my nice, fresh condo complex tarmac that they recently laid down, because the HOA wouldn't really enjoy that one, nor is it in my garage. This Stelvio Quadrifoglio is in here. So we're going to run to the auto parts store. We're going to get some stuff. We're going to take this out of the garage. We're going to put the Benz in the garage, and we're going to set to work fixing the fuel line, hopefully in a far better manner than last time. Okay, so this sweater is going to block my microphone. We're walking out to the Benz. We got all the stuff at the store from O'Reilly's. Gotta go out to the Benz, check how much fuel is in it. Honestly, I hope a decent amount dripped out, but I think it's actually a pretty small fuel leak. So it's gonna look more dramatic than it is on the ground compared to the actual quantity of fuel that came out. We'll be able to tell that when we put the key in the ignition and just see where the fuel level is. I'm gonna pull it into the garage, or halfway in, put it up on the rear end, up on jack stands, and start siphoning out fuel, because we want as little fuel in the tank as possible to avoid a deluge of gasoline on our hands, face, and skin. So let's go check the car. As you can see, it's fuel. And it's dripping. And it's leaking. Making a nice little crater in the ground. Yeah, we're gonna pull it in and check the fuel level. Let's do that now. This poor car's filthy. Not spill the coffee like we did in the Bentley video. All right. Key. I can't find the hole because, oh, see? Tons of fuel. Oh, shit. Like, this is the only time you ever don't want fuel in your car. Okay, so this one's an odd one. I moved the car to start working on it, and I was hoping to see the leak in action while the car was on level ground. Now that the car's on level ground, there is no leak. This leads me to believe that parking this car uphill for 2 weeks caused some fuel to flow to a spot where it wasn't supposed to be. And it's not a lot of fuel. The fuel gauge didn't budge. So I'm gonna pull this car in the garage, slide a pan under it, and just wait and see if fuel continues to drip out, or if there's anything I need to address. I touched the line where the fuel was coming out of. Nothing moved from there. I think it looks like a vent line. I could be wrong about that. I'm waiting to talk to internet automotive expert Bozy at Hooniverse on Twitter. He's like my go-to ask questions guy, to see what he thinks and then go from there. So I'm gonna pull this in. The Alfa Romeo is gonna sleep outside for the night. It can handle it. It's a big boy. It's a big tough Italian boy that just wants to do gin tanning laundry. And we'll see if this thing is still dripping. I don't think it is, but I don't know. So we'll see. Do you like this side light? Is that dramatic? Yeah. Yeah, we'll go from there. I mean, I just thought this was gonna be a repair video, but it doesn't count as a wrenching win if I didn't wrench. But it's a small victory because I don't think I need to wrench. Let's see. Cheers to that. It's just coffee. Don't worry. All right, we're gonna check this thing out a day later. It's been sitting for a full day. Let's see. Dry as a bone. Dry as a bone. I don't know what to say. It's dry. So, sitting on that hill was causing it to drip. Just gonna leave it be for now, and not park it on the hill and take a look at the fuel lines in greater detail down the road. But there you go. There you go. There's a little follow-up day later. No drips. Bop. Okay, we're recording here. Hey, everybody. No, I don't want to do that intro. Let's try that again.